Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I'm going to show you how to create the iTunes backup using Windows device on iPhone 15 Pro device. To do it, you need to have Windows, and of course you need to download and install iTunes. For Windows, you need to find iTunes, download on the web browser, download the latest version of the iTunes. As you can see, the latest version was created in 2020, but when you will install it, it will automatically update. So it will ask you for an update, you will need to accept the update and wait a while, update, reboot your PC, log in into the iTunes, open it, and you need to have the cable, but you need to have not the power, not the QCU cable with the violet inside, but you need to have the normal power delivery cable connected to your USB-C iPhone 15. That's cool. Trust this computer. You need to confirm the password and click on. Oh, I need to stop it because I want to show you how to do it. So wait a while, I will stop it. So when you will connect to the to the PC, your smartphone, it will automatically start to create a backup. But sometimes sometimes it's not starting to create automatically backup. You need to click on the phone icon, wait a while, and click backup now. As you can see, it's have created a backup, so now I can click backup now. So you need to click on it, then enter the password when it asks trust computer or no. So enter the password and wait until full backup will be successfully created. And of course, if you have a lot of files on your device, it will create a backup slower. But if you have no files, images as me, as you can see, because all of these files was backed up on my computer. And now when I will download new application, it will not create a completely new backup. No, it will just add new applications, new contacts, new photos to the backup, and that's it. Okay. And of course, you can see backup was successfully created, and when I will want to restore the backup, I will be able to do it. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.